Controller drift can significantly affect your gameplay experience in Overwatch 2. This guide will help you optimize your settings and hardware to reduce or eliminate controller drift. Step 1. Check controller calibration. Ensure your controller is properly calibrated. Most consoles and PCs have a calibration tool in the settings menu. Follow the prompts to recalibrate your controller, which can help fix any drift issues. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dirt and debris can cause analog sticks to drift. Use a soft cloth and compressed air to clean around the analog sticks. Make sure to remove any buildup that could be affecting their movement. Step 3. Adjust in-game sensitivity. Lowering your sensitivity settings in Overwatch 2 can help mitigate the effects of drift. Experiment with different sensitivity levels to find a balance that allows for precise control while minimizing the impact of any drift. Step 4. Use dead zone settings. Adjust the dead zone settings in the game to create a buffer zone around the analog stick movement. Increasing the dead zone can help prevent unintended movements caused by drift, allowing for more controlled gameplay. Step 5. Consider hardware solutions. If drift persists, consider investing in a new controller or replacing the analog sticks on your current one. Some controllers come with features designed to reduce drift, and replacing worn-out pads can restore functionality. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce controller drift and enhance your gaming experience in Overwatch 2. Enjoy your gameplay.